Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated cooled seats, as well as tonneau cover, chrome running boards, power sliding sunroof, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black and brown interior with paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and the wooden chrome accents. You also get two chrome running boards here as well. And these two-tone heated ventilated power adjustable seats, super nice. Here you're going to have your drive mode selector as well as your lighting control and heads-up display. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, follow distance indicator, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. You're gonna have the classic calm truck shifter, push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. You can also access Amazon Alexa, downloadable apps, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your bed view. Below you're going to have the dual zone climate controls, as well as lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop. Just below you're going to have your integrated brake controller next to your two USB ports, a 12 volt and an AC wall charger. With a wireless charger pad as well, you got your center console storage, and as well as two more USB ports, an SD card reader for navigation, and a lot more storage in there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. You can add that high country stitch, black and brown all the way across, the double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, you got your regular and digital rear view. And here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you got these 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak tires. You got your high country badging, the paint match mirror caps, and then the chrome keyless entry door handles. You got your Rev Industries hard folding tonneau cover, paint match quarter step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Of course, you're gonna have the high country badging as well. And into the back, you got your two LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome accent. Up to the back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. Rear cup holders, rear heated seating, as well as vents and USB ports. Straight in the center. Cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. Very well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Bridgestone Blizzak tires, heated ventilated seats, navigation, wireless charging, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.